Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video we'll be discussing about why people lose money in intraday trading. Okay, so what are the main reasons why people are losing money in intraday trading and how you guys can overcome the loss and make consistent profit in intraday trading. So for all of these things we'll be discussing in this video, so make sure you watch this video till the end to get all the information regarding this. Okay, so mainly people lose money in intraday trading by doing a wrong trade. So why do people do wrong trade? So people do wrong trade because of not having a good strategy or not following the trend of a market, or by not picking a good stock according to the trend, or by having greediness, or by not following risk management and a lot of other things. So how you guys can overcome all these things, so we'll be talking in this video. Okay, so before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos and intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips and a lot of things in my channel, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay, and also, if you're new to a stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make money constantly in trading, you can join my course. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So a lot of the people got into my trading program and now they are making money constantly, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. If you guys are interested and motivated to make constant profit like this, you can join us today. Once you join us, you'll be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. So I'll be teaching you personally how to make constant profit. Okay, so a lot of people who have joined us are now seeing improvement in their trading, and now they are learning how they can make constant profit in intraday trading. Okay, you can go through all of these feedback messages and earning proof if you guys are interested and motivated to make constant profit like this. And if you guys wish to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. And also, these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you my 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. You can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be teaching you how to pick the stocks every day. And also I'll be teaching you a very good money management system, a risk-free trading system, and also, as you guys know, my course price are very less and reasonably priced. Okay, so guys, by being said that, now let's talk about why do people lose money in intraday trading and how they can avoid their losses. Okay, so guys, firstly, people, lot of people do wrong trades in intraday trading and they do lot of over trading. Okay, so this is one main reason. So that is, a lot of people tell that whenever I buy a stock it starts falling, and whenever I short sell it starts going up. So why this mistake is happening? Because you're doing a wrong entry. Okay, that means you're not following the trend of the market. Okay, so if the market is rising or if the market is going up, then you should go to a buying side. If the market is coming down, then you should go to a short side. Okay, so many of the people know this as generally, but following is very important. Okay, so you should make a proper entry and exit. So for that you need to have a good strategy. Okay, so if you don't have a good strategy, you can join my course. In my course I'll be teaching you 90 to 95% accuracy strategies, and also I'll be teaching you how to pick the stocks correctly every day and how to make consistent profit with these strategies. Okay, and another reason why people lose money in intraday trading is some people who are beginners, they do trades blindly without learning and without practicing. They just come to intraday trading and put their money and lose. So don't do that. If you're new to a stock market trading, you first practice first, and once you have practice with the low capital and once you're confident, then only add more capital. Okay, and don't follow the news. So a lot of people just blindly follow the news and trade on the news. So don't trade on the news. Okay, so trade on the studies, trade on the technical strategies what you have, and trade when working with the logics. Okay, don't do any blind trades in intraday trading. So when you're doing intraday trading, you should be sure of what you are doing, and once you know what you're doing, then you can make intraday trading correctly. Okay, and a lot of people think that intraday trading is risky, intraday trading is very dangerous and all these things. Yes, it is risky if you don't know to make consistent profit, or if you don't know how to do good trades. Okay, so if you know how to do a good trades, how to pick a stock, and if you have a good strategy, intraday trading will be easy for you and you can make consistent profit. Okay, and that is possible. Okay, so now come to the next point. Some people will be greedy. Okay, so they won't be enough and they won't exit once they book profit in intraday trading. So always you should have a point that you will only do one or two trades per day and book a profit and exit. For example, if you're trading with almost 10,000 rupees capital, let's assume your capital is 10,000, you can make a profit of 1,000 per day and log off your trading terminal. Okay, so don't sit more than that and you can just exit it. Okay, so you should always limit it. Okay, if you're doing over trading, you'll definitely lose. Okay, so a lot of people I see that they will make a profit in one or two trades in a day, and again they start doing over trading and they get lost by that. So don't ever do that. Okay, so don't do over trading, just do one or two trades per day and follow the disciplines and keep the target and stop loss for every single trade what you do, and that will help you. Okay, so have the power of limiting. Okay, if you don't limit, you'll definitely lose your capital. So always follow the disciplines and rules to make consistent profit in intraday trading. And also you should follow a good money management system, and not only the money management system, and also you should follow a good risk reward ratio also in whatever trade you're doing. Okay, so all these things should be followed and maintained to make consistent profit, and these are the few reasons why people are losing money in intraday trading. Okay, because of not following a correct strategy, or not picking a correct stock, or not following the correct trends of the markets. Okay, so these are the main key things what you need to observe when you're doing intraday trading to make a good trades in a day. Okay, and as I said to you, if you're new to a stock market trading, or if you're having losses, and if you want to learn how to make money constantly in intraday trading, you can join my course. In my course I'll be guiding you personally to make consistent profit. Okay, so and also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload how much profit I made on what stock I traded with the profit proof every single day. If you guys wish to earn constant profit like this and wish to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one.